we had warm conditions out there today. We reached the lower 70s, and I've got good news for you. That's just going to persist through much of the week. Now, temperatures right now, we've started to cool off a little bit in those temperatures right now. We're early in the 60s. 60 in Fulton, 59 Tupelo, 57 in Starkville. We're really starting to cool off. Now, later on tonight, with those clear skies, that's really going to allow those temperatures to drop in the mid-40s, a clear and a cold night. So if you do have to be out tonight, just make sure you've got the jacket. Now, going in tomorrow, getting off to those 8 a.m. classes, will be around at 50 degrees, but we'll quickly warm up in the upper 60s by noon and even in the lower 70s by the afternoon hours. Full abundance amount of sunshine, so soak it up. A good day to eat lunch outside. But really, the weather headlines as we go kind of talk about what's on tap for this week. Warm and dry, that's what we're on. That's what's going to happen on Monday. But we're tracking record warmth this week. We could be nearing 80 degrees, and then we've got some impactful weather coming in on Thursday. Talking about those record highs and forecasted highs, Tuesday I don't think we'll get to nearing records, so that we're fine on that. But Wednesday and Thursday in particular, we could be even tying a record or breaking the all-time record. 79 or 78 on Wednesday, 79 on Thursday. Both of those days are in jeopardy. Friday, I don't think we'll see much. But then in the rain chances, we do have a 40% chance of rain on Thursday. Some scattered showers around. That's when I think we'll have some impactful weather that will impact you. Try timing out the rain for your Thursday. I think Thursday morning, a few sprinkles, some clouds, kind of mist and overcast for Thursday morning heading off to those 8 a.m. classes. But then as we go through the day, we'll get some breaks within the clouds. We'll kind of peel back those clouds and we'll be fine. We'll warm up in the 70s, but then in the afternoon into the evening hours, that's when I think we could see some scattered showers around. This model is not crazy on the showers, but I do think we will see some showers in the evening hours. So impacts, wet roads, some hydroplaning risk, and some gusty winds are possible. It's going to be windy all day on Thursday. But how much rain could we pick up from this system? Really less than 1/4 of an inch. Barely any measurable rain in our southern tier counties. So let's look at that 7-day forecast again, recapping everything. 74 on Monday, 76 on Tuesday, nearing 80 degrees Wednesday and Thursday. Remember, record highs are in jeopardy. And then going into the weekend, nice and pleasant weekend in store.
Well, Brody, the verdict is in, and we are in for a longer winter here in central Mississippi. The groundhog did see its shadow, and this is after January. We were 7 degrees below average. It was actually the 9th coldest January here at Mississippi State campus. Records go back to 1890, but not so fast. We got 70s in the forecast, like you were saying. Normal for this time of year is the 50s. Now let's talk about what's going on. So this is the outlook for the next 6 to 10 days. Most of the Magnolia State is expected to have above normal conditions. And then we start seeing hints of some cooler weather as we head into mid-month. So maybe the groundhog was into something. But again, like Brody, you were saying, we are in for some warmer weather coming up. So the reason why is because we're finally getting into the La Nina pattern, finally getting to the La Nina characteristics. What does that mean? Usually what it means is the jet stream lifts further to the north. When the jet stream sinks, we get that cold, cold weather. And that's when high pressure is off further to the west. It keeps that jet stream further to the north. And you can see, for us here, we expect warmer than normal conditions. Now, let's take a look at what's happening real time as we head into the week. High pressure will slowly be building in. Notice it's not off towards the north and west. It's more from the south. But as that high pressure nudges in, we'll start seeing warmer weather continue. And the Climate Prediction Center is expecting these warm conditions not to last for just 1 week, but overall over the next 3 months, us here in northeast Mississippi to see above normal conditions.